Hello all, welcome to another session in this course. As part of this session, I'm going to cover the next topic, that is what is automation testing. In the previous session, I covered what is manual testing. Just to recap, in a manual testing, a real person who is sitting before the computer machine will perform the testing of this application in a manual way by using his eyes and hands. But what is automation testing? In this session, I'm going to cover what is automation testing. In automation testing, unlike manual testing, okay, in automation testing, unlike manual testing, here also we have this computer machine. And in this computer machine, we have this application open. But who is performing the testing here? In manual testing, a real person was performing the testing on the application. But here, in place of the real person in automation testing, the automation tool, okay? Here, the automation tool will be performing the testing. Here, real person is performing the testing. In case of manual testing, a real person is performing the testing of the application in a manual way. But in automation testing, an automation tool is going to perform the testing of the application. Okay, here an automation tool is performing the testing on behalf of a real person. Such kind of testing where an automation tool is performing the testing on the application in place of the real person is called as an automation testing. So we have so many test automation tools available in the market. Let me give some examples or few examples. Selenium. Okay. Selenium is one of the popular test automation tools. So here, if you are using Selenium test automation tool to perform the testing of the application in place of the real person to perform the testing, such kind of testing is called as automation testing. Any other automation tool examples we have? We have Playwright. Okay, Playwright is another automation tool. We have Cypress and many more. And many more test automation tools are there in the market. If you are using any one of these test automation tools in order to perform the testing of the application, such kind of testing is called as automation testing. If a test automation tool is performing the testing of the application in place of the real person, such kind of testing is called as automation testing. But how come a test automation tool can perform the testing of the application? That I am going to cover in the next session. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.